So hello everyone, this is my entry for the Elecrow SquareLine UI challenge. This is Aqua Mitra, a smart companion for your aquarium. So as you can see that I have a big aquarium with a lot of fishes. Now Aqua Mitra have a lot of options. Now if I press here, you will see a menu with 4 different options. So the first option is meet the fishes. So if I click on this option, I see that there are total number of 20 fishes and of 8 varieties. So you can see that there is goldfish, tinfoil barb, koi carp. So if I want to know about this fish, this is the rainbow shark. Now if I click on this, I get to see some information for this. So it is origin in Thailand rivers. It is an active water dweller fish. It needs a temperature of 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. It have a and needs a water condition with pH 6.5 to 7.5. The two varieties that are present in our tank is albino and black. So as you can see that there are some schooling fishes. So if I click on now more fishes option, I can see the neon tetra. So I can get some information about these fishes also. So these are neon tetra glow variant. These are originated in South America and need a temperature of 24 to 28 degrees Celsius, a water pH of 6.0 to 7.5. So the fluorescence color comes from the inserted genes originally derived from marine organisms, and they were first developed to detect water pollution. So the two varieties that we have in our tank are the galactic purple and the starfire red. So the second option is the tank status option. In the tank status option, you can see the temperature data of the aquarium, which is measured through this temperature probe. So the third option is the control panel option. In this, I have two options to switch on the light and switch on the pump, which is controlled through the relay. So if I switch on the light of the aquarium lights up. So the second option is the pump option. So if I switch on the pump starts. So the fourth option is the feed fish option. So if I click on this option, I can see that the scheduled feeding is on 8 am and then 8 pm and the last fed time was 8 to am. Now if you see here, I have an apparatus which have some food and a servo motor. So I can move the servo motor. So based on the appetite level, I can move the servo motor and can drop some food. So this is the appetite level, and on moving this, the servo motor moves. Are eating the food. Aqua Mitra is based on the CrowPanel 2.8-inch ESP32 display. Now based on the datasheet, the main processor is the ESP32 Vroom 32N4. The frequency is 240 MHz and the internal flash available is 4 MB. Now based on the difficulty multiplier, the resolutions come under easy part. The flash comes under hard, which is less than 4 MB. The average FPS comes also under the hard category, and the MCU speed comes under the average category. The sensors and actuators used in this project are a DS18B20 temperature probe, which gives us a constant temperature curve, and a servo which is connected to the GPIO plug and moves based on the signal received. The whole UI is made on SquareLine Studio, and the total size of this UI is just 2 MB.